Alright, let's start this video off proper. Welcome back to Science While High as Fuck. I don't know if that's going to be the title, but this is part 1. Oh, I'm so geeked. Okay, so for the first science lesson, we all know that there is 3 states of matter. That is chemistry 101. The 3 states of matter are gas, solid, and liquid. Now, found it. We all know that this is vaporized. It's a vape. It stands for vaporized. I don't know if that's whatever the fuck. You know, get what I mean. That is a gas. So, by the law of the states of matter, this gas, if frozen, can turn into a solid. And I've always wondered what a solid like vape would look like, if that makes sense to you. So, I got an empty water bottle, and I got this, and we are gonna do the test. Shit. Look at all that vapor. You can, oh wait, never mind. Those little droplets, if you can see, are from the water that I drank earlier. But we are gonna go put this in the refrigerator and then the freezer. All right, let's go put this in the fridge. Holy shit, I look like I'm a member of the IRA with this mask on. Alright, we just took it out of the refrigerator, and if you look, there's not that much. That is the vape in a liquid water form. And a part of me is wondering, if I were to drink it, would I get buzzed like smoking the vape? Would it just be like drinking vape juice, which I don't do, that's disgusting. Would it taste differently than like actual water? But honestly, I don't really know if I want to try that. So what we're going to do next is that we're going to put this in the freezer. And my prediction, my hypothesis is that it's just going to freeze and it's just going to look like a normal ice cube. Which, I mean, again, 3 forms of state of matter: liquids, gas, and solid. But yeah, we are going to go put this in the freezer and see what happens next. Alright, boom. Alright, I pulled it out of the freezer, and as I expected, it's frozen over. Which already broke it out, but if you look, added it, that's it right there. Now, I don't really know how the fuck I would get it out normally, so I have a knife with me. We're just gonna cut the bottle open. Low-key nicked my thumb. And there it is. There is our, holy shit. There is our frozen vape. It's low-key tripping. Now, I said I wasn't going to drink the vape juice, but I am curious as what it would taste like if I bit into the ice. So the taste is a bit different. It isn't your usual watery taste. I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like lemon water. Like you taste the water and just that hint of lemon. It's just like that. It's like you taste the water. It's like a little tiny hit of the vape. Good as new. All right. So for the end of video, hypothesis, conclusion, whatever you want to call it, we were correct. We were able to turn this, the smoke, vapor, whatever you want to call it, into this, an ice cube. Now, were we really surprised by this? Not really. It's vapor. and then it just turned into water, and then turned it into ice. But I did find it low key interesting to do with a vape. It is actually low key really fun doing these science experiments while zooted on the Zaza. And I definitely would do these a bit more. Maybe in the future videos, a bit more scientifically, something that's not just turning vapor into water then into ice. But that being said, thank you for watching.